Next topic is e-agriculture. Okay, so e-agriculture is a term in the agroinformatics. Okay, that is it means that ICT in agriculture is called e-agriculture. Okay, that is information and communication technology in agriculture is called e-agriculture. Okay, so it focuses on enhancement of agriculture to information and communication process. Okay, so we are applying the ICT. We are applying the ICT in agriculture to enhance the agriculture productions. Okay, so the e-agriculture involves the conceptualization and design, okay, and development and evaluation and application of innovative ways to use ICT in rural domains for better agriculture and income with reduced risk. Okay, so this involves all the concept and design and development, okay, and evaluation and application of innovative ways, okay, to use ICT in rural domains. Okay, so how we can innovatively use the ICT in the rural domains. Okay, so mainly we are using the ICT to improve the agriculture. Okay, and its income, okay, and to reduce the risk. Okay, so e-agriculture means the ICT in agriculture is called e-agriculture. And it's the importance of e-agriculture. Okay, so it is very important for higher crop productivity. Okay, so we want to increase the crop productivity. Okay, because the population in India is very high, so we want to increase the crop productivity. So the e-agriculture is very important. Okay, and to decrease the use of water, fertilizer and pesticide, which in turn keeps food price down. Okay, so in agriculture we mainly use huge amount of water, okay, and fertilizer, pesticide, which cause some chemical reaction in the soil. Okay, so we want to reduce these things. Okay, so for that we are applying the ICT. Okay, ICT technology in the agriculture. Okay, that is e-agriculture. And third one is to reduce the impact on natural ecosystem. Okay, and fourth one is to decrease the runoff chemicals into rivers and groundwaters. Okay, so that is the third point, means that we want to reduce the impact on natural ecosystem. Okay, so we want to save the natural ecosystem. So for this the e-agriculture is very important. And so fourth one is we want to decrease the runoff chemicals into rivers and groundwaters. Okay, see, nowadays we are using many chemicals to improve the productions. Okay, so we want to reduce that one. So for this ICT, okay, that is e-agriculture will play an important role. Okay, so I told that we want I told that e-agriculture means ICT in agriculture is called e-agriculture. Okay, so that is we are using the amazing technology, okay, in e-agriculture to improve the crop productivity. Okay, so what are the technology we are using? Okay, the first one is wireless technology. Okay, so that is it. This technology eliminates the use of coaxial cable. Okay, so normally for communication we will use coaxial cable. Okay, so we want to reduce that. To eliminate this cable, we are using to eliminate that cable. Okay, we are using wireless technology. Okay, second one is GPS. Okay, GPS means global positioning system. That is, it is used in geofencing, okay, and map making and surveying. Okay, so fencing means so geofencing. Okay, so based on the GPS we can track the cattle animals. Okay, and we can also make the map making, okay, and surveying. Okay, and third one geographical information system, GIS. Okay, that is it is used in precision farming such as land mapping. Okay, so GIS play a very important role in precision farming. And fourth one is, this is very important. Okay, that is computer control devices. Okay, that is automated system. Okay, so in herd management we are using automatic milking machine. Okay, and in harvesting we are using the agriculture robots. Okay, and in greenhouse we are using the sensors to collect environmental parameters. Okay, so these are computer control devices. Okay, we are using these devices to make the agriculture automatic. Okay, so to make the agriculture automatic we are using the computer control devices. Okay, and fourth one is smartphone mobile apps. Okay, So with the help of the smartphone mobile app, we can extend the ICT service in rural areas. Okay, so nowadays many are using smartphones, okay, and mobile apps. Okay, so with the help of this one, we can easily transfer the technology, okay, and information to the farming areas. Okay, that is rural domains. And last one is e-commerce. Okay, so we can also, okay, last one is e-commerce, that is the online purchasing of order, okay, of agriculture inputs, agri equipments. Okay, so we can order the agriculture inputs and agriculture equipments uh, in online. Okay, so these are the basic technology used in the e-agriculture. Okay, the first one is wireless technology and GPS and GIS. Okay, and computer control devices and smartphone mobile apps, and last one e-commerce. Next is smart farming. Okay, so smart farming is the farming management concept using modern technology to increase the quantity and quality of agriculture products. Okay, so smart farming means that is we are, okay, the name means we are doing agriculture automatically. Okay, so that is called smart farming. Okay, so the word smart farming means we are doing agriculture in automatic way. Okay, so this is achieved by the use of advanced technology agriculture such as GPS, sensors, drones, and robots and IoT. Okay, technology like this. Okay, so we are using these technology to make the farming a smart. Okay, that is we are making agriculture a smart farming by by application of this advanced, okay, by application of this advanced technology. Okay, so smart farming means it is a farming management concept using modern technology to increase the quantity and quality of agricultural products.